Welcome to another episode of Takeoff Board, a serye kung saan nagpuputukan ang mga muscles and nag-iiyakan ang mga kapitbahay. So syempre naaalala natin to. Pati na rin to. At syempre ito, ang picture na nagpa-cry sa mga kapitbahay. At syempre yung mga live nila kung saan madalas pag-usapan ang pag-workout nila together. Pero syempre puro pa rin kwento, puro pa rin pictures. Kaya naman mismong trainer na nila ang naglapag ng ebidensya. They work out together. This account is from this man who I believe is their trainer. And kahit nakamask yung isa, kitang-kita nyo naman na si V yung isa and tinag niya si Jungkook, so legit. And syempre, tinranslate din natin yung title. It says, Jungkook and V also surprised with their physical appearance. So legit, it's Jungkook and V. Sila lang. May nakikita kasi ako nagsisirculate na nandyan din daw si Jaemin and si RM. Iba po yun. And yes, this is a vlog. This is a video. Gumagalaw sila, nagsasalita. So hindi pwedeng masabing AI, hindi rin pwedeng masabing edited.
No, before we wrap up, BTS's Jungkook and Rain said they'd like to appear in our video, so I'll invite them over. Hello. You are working out here right now, and since we have time today, I'd like to say hello. Actually, you're our personal trainer now, and I really wanted to say hello like this. I've
worked out with Han Shin Hung almost more than with Son Woo Hung and Jungkook Hung. So, thank you. Yes, we've been learning these recently.
Both of you are so good at exercises, so when I teach you, you absorb it right away. That's why it's fun to teach you. I'm competing again, and I'm so grateful for all the cheering and support. First place is a positive influence, and I'll work hard to get first place even though I couldn't. First place, first place, first place, first place, first place, first place, first place.
First place.
Done. Thank you. I think the exercise you're doing will work out. Fighting. Fighting.
At doon sa mga nagsasabing this is fan service, sige, sabihin nyo yan doon sa trainer. Kasi personal vlog niya yun. Personal Instagram niya to. Siguro nga bayad siya ng kumpanya to train them. Pero kung ang goal ng company is fan service, bakit sa channel niya? Bakit sa IG page niya? And sa totoo lang, wala naman akong pakialam kahit sabihin yung fan service to. Ang pakialam ko is sumasarap sila together.